Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our Histories online session. Today, we are going to learn our fifth lesson, Foundation of Swaraj. Okay, students, before starting our session, everyone has to mute your mics. Okay, students, and if you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me in the chat box. Okay, and you have to answer the questions into the chat box only. So I hope everyone is ready. Show me a thumbs up for that. Okay, ready everyone. So now just look at our screen. Okay, students? Just look at our screen. Class 7th, our subject is history. The topic is the foundation of Swaraj. Okay? See here our lesson units. Time before founding of Swaraj, and the second one is towards the founding of Swaraj. In that, we are going to learn our first part, that is time before founding of Swaraj. Okay? Okay, yes, students. Do you know who was the founder of Swaraj? Yes, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is our founder of Swaraj. So, today we are going to learn more about our Shivaji Maharaj, our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Here you can see the picture of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of Swaraj. He was a warrior king and a member of the Bhosle Maratha clan. Clan means a group of families. He was belonging to the Bhosle family. Understood? He was belonging to the Bhosle family. In 1674, he was formally crowned as a Chhatrapati of his realm at Raigad. Realm means a kingdom. Okay, students? Yes. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was belonging to the which clan? Can you answer me? He was belonging to the which clan? Yes, Seema. Yes, Mehreen. That is Bhosle Maratha clan. Very nice, Shifa. Very good, Alkas. Yes, very nice, Arman. Very good, Zoya. That is Bhosle Maratha clan.
Bhosle Maratha.
Very good, students. Now see the next picture. Now about the Shahaji Raje. Do you know who is Shahaji Raje? Yes, Tawfiq. Very good, beta.
Shahaji Raje is
Yes, he was the
father
father
of
of
Chhatrapati.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Students, please mute your mics. Just answer me in the chat box. Okay? Yes. Now stop writing in the chat box. Just listen carefully and pay your attention on the screen. Here you can see the picture of Shahaji Raje. He was
Father.
born in 1594, January 23, 1664 was died. AD. Anyone knows the meaning of AD or full form of AD? Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay, Zoya. AD means Anno Domini. Very nice. He was the father of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. Preeminent means a very nice Sardar. We can call it as a Badhiya, Purva Pratishthit, that is preeminent. He was the preeminent Sardar. How he was? I have circled that word. How he was? Shahaji Raje was? Yes, very nice, Zoya. Preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. Now, the Deccan means southern part in our ancient India. Got it, students? This is all about the Shahaji Raje. Very nice, Afreen and Alisha. Yes, he was the preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. And he was the father of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, that is our Shahaji Raje. Well done, students. Well done, Bilal. Now see the next screen. Now don't write anything in the chat box. Time before the founding of Swaraj. So now we have to learn about the before the founding of Swaraj. What was going on? Yes, there were the Mughals. Here you can see the picture of Mughals. The Adil Shah of Bijapur. Yes, students, Mughals. The Adil Shah of Bijapur. And the Nizam Shahi was also there. But the Mughals and Adil Shah of Bijapur have launched a campaign against the Nizam Shahi. They wanted to destroy the Nizam Shahi. What they want? Yes, Alisha. They wanted to destroy Nizam Shahi. Very nice, Zoya. Both have launched a campaign to conquer to a Nizam Shahi. But Shahaji Maharaj was there. Then, yes, here you can see the Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje put up a strong resistance to both the armies to save the Nizam Shahi kingdom. What he has done? He want to save the Nizam Shahi kingdom. Yes, Shagun. He want to save the Nizam Shahi kingdom. Yes, but he could not withstand, but he could not succeed in that. Withstand the combined might of the Mughals and Adil Shahi and Nizam Shahi was defeated in 1636. Nizam Shahi was defeated. Defeated means वो लोग हार गए. Okay? And Mughals and Adil Shah of Bijapur was when they were won. and Nizam Shahi was defeated. Very good. Yes, Bilal, in 1636. Very nice, students. Okay. So, who defeated the Nizam Shahi, students? Who were there? Yes, Mughals and very nice, Adil Shah of Bijapur. Very nice, Afrin. Very good, Samartha. Bilal. Superb, my dear students. Yes, they were defeated in the 1636. This is very important, Hisha. Very good. Yes, Seema. Yes. So, what happened after that? After that, just look at your screen. Just a second. Yes. After defeating the Nizam Shahi, Shahaji Raje then become a Sardar of Adil Shah of Bijapur. What happened? The Shahaji Raje, here you can see, he was our Shahaji Raje and he became a Sardar of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Yes, he was the Sardar. Who's Sardar? Yes, that is well done. Shahaji Raje was the Sardar of Bijapur. Very nice, students. So, who was the Sardar of Bijapur? Yes, Shifa. Yes, Shahaji Raje was the Sardar of Bijapur. Very good. Now he was the Sardar of Bijapur. So, Shahaji Raje's Jagir, he got the some Jagir. Anyone knows what is the meaning of Jagir? Can you please tell me what is the Jagir? We have learned all these things in the fourth standard also and in our previous lessons also. Okay, students, very nice answers. I'm going to tell you about the Jagir. Shahaji Raje got the Jagir from the Mughals and Adil Shahi. Jagir means the right to enjoy the revenue of a region. It means they are getting the revenue. What is Jagir? Yes, Shagun. They are getting the revenue from that region. Very nice, Zoya. Yes. So, they have got the Jagir from Pune. Yes, here you can see the map of our Maharashtra. This is our Maharashtra. Okay. In that, Shahaji Raje got the Jagir of Pune, Chakan, Supe, Indapur, and Chakan Parganas, located between the rivers of Bhima and Nira. Yes. Okay, students? Yes. He was got the Jagir of. Now tell me the various name of cities or region. Yes, from Maharashtra. Pune. Very nice, Zoya. Next one is, yes, Nira was the river. Okay, very nice. Yes. And all these are located in between the two rivers. Can anyone tell me which was the rivers? Yes, that is Bhima and Nira. Superb, everyone. Okay, dear students. Very nice performance. Now, please don't write anything on your chat box. Okay? Just look at the screen. So, everyone got about the Jagir? Jagir means the revenue of that region. It means they are getting the revenue. So I hope you all have understood about the Shivaji Maharaj, our Shahaji Maharaj, and about the Mughals, Adil Shahi, and Nizam Shahi. Okay? Yes. Okay, very good, students. Now don't write anything in the chat box. Okay? Very nice. So, here is the Veer Mata Jizabai. Who was the Jizabai? Now you can answer. Who was the Jizabai? Yes, Veer Mata. But whose Mata? Whose mother? Yes, Janvi? Yes,
Shivaji
mother of.
Shivaji Maharaj.
Very
Shivaji
nice,
Maharaj.
my dear students. Well done, Wajid. Yes, Veer Mata Jizabai was the mother of our Shivaji Maharaj, our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Yes. Okay. So everyone is able to see the picture of Veer Mata Jizabai. She was she was born in January 12, 1598, and she was died in June 17, 1674. Okay. She was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Jizabai Shahaji Bhosle, referred as a Rajmata or Veer Mata Jizabai or Jizau. What we call them? She was also known as Rajmata. She was referred as a, yes, Rajmata. Very nice, Suhani. And she was also known as a Jizau. Okay? Keep it in your mind, students. Okay? Yes. Fantastic, my dear students. So this is all about our Veer Mata Jizabai. Can anyone tell me the birth date of Veer Mata Jizabai? Here I have written the birthday of Veer Mata Jizabai. Tell me when we celebrate the birthday of Veer Mata Jizabai. Yes, Muhammad. 12. But 12 what? Alkas? It should have the month, na? Yes, Arman. Arman has written very correctly. 12 January 1598. Yes. Very good. Very nice, everyone. Now stop writing. See the next screen now. Yes. Here is the young age of our Veer Mata Jizabai. Now don't write anything in the chat box. Okay, students? Just listen carefully. And please lower your hand, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the chat box. Okay? Yes, at a young age, Jizabai had received a military training as well as the education in various subjects. She has got the military training. Here you can see the picture of Jizabata. She was sitting on the horse. Yes, Jizabai helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was also knowing that we have to establish the Swaraj, and she has given the realization to the Shahaji Maharaj. To whom she has given the realization? Yes, to the Shahaji Maharaj. Very nice. Okay, students. And which training she has received? Now you can give me the answering chat box. Which training she has received? Here you can see the training. She has received the, yes, Shiva, very nice. She has received the military training. Yes. And she has also completed the various education in various subjects. Yes, that is army or military training. Very nice, dear students. Okay. Now come to our next topic about the Veer Mata Jizabai. Yes, Jizao was very particular about giving excellent education to the Shivaji Maharaj. Jizao instilled in Shivaji Maharaj values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearness. So, now what she had did, she instilled. Instilled means what? Now, don't write anything, okay? When I will ask, at that time you have to write, Alkas. Okay, beta? Yes. Jizao instilled. Instilled means she has entered some values drop by drop into the Shivaji Maharaj. She has instilled the values like modesty. Now, what is modesty? Anyone knows what is modesty? Okay. Yes, Tawfiq, it is politeness. It is about the politeness, or we can call in Marathi that is Shalinta. Okay, this is all about modesty. Now, second thing that is oratory. It means how to talk. She has instilled the value of oratory. It means how to talk. That is Vaktrutva. Third value is vigilance. Okay, Alisha, no problem. Yes, very nice, Seema. That is politeness, not name. It is politeness. It means talk with everyone with politely. Like you all are talking politely with your teachers, with your parents. Yes. The third one is vigilance. So, what is vigilance? Yes, vigilance is carefulness or safeness. Okay. And fourth one is courage. Courage, you all know. Fifth one is fearlessness. Yes, understood the various values that Jizamata has instilled into the Shivaji Maharaj. Very nice, students. Now tell me the various values. One by one you have to tell me. Okay? Yes, politeness is called as modesty. Yes, Vajid. Oratory. Yes. vigilance, very nice, courage, superb Mehreen, modesty. Yes, Tawfiq, very nice students, courage, yes, and fearlessness. Very good, everyone. So, understood, everyone, which values she had instilled in a Shivaji Maharaj. Instilled means entered the values drop by drop. Okay. Now see the next picture. Jizao saw that Shivaji Raje was trained in the uses of weapons and inspired in him the will to win and the dream of Swaraj. She had inspired to the Shivaji Maharaj that we have to do the something for our Swaraj, the dream of our Swaraj. The administration of the Pune Jagir was entrusted to Shivaji Raje and Jizau by Shahaji Raje. So, after seeing all these things, Shahaji Raje was given the administration of Pune Jagir to the Shivaji Raje and Jizau. Jizau means the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. And here was the son of our Shahaji Maharaj. It means our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, Jizamata saw the dream of Swaraj. Yes, Afrin. Very nice, dear students. So I hope you all have understood about the Veer Mata Jizabai. Yes. Before going to our companions and associates, now tell me what we have learned. Yes. First, we have learned about the Shivaji Raje. Yes. Shivaji Raje. Second thing about the Shahaji Raje. And third, about the Veer Mata Jizabai. Yes, students. Very nice. Now let us learn about his companions and associates. For that, you have to pay your attention and just look at your screen. Okay? Here you can see the various companions of our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The work of founding the Swaraj was done by Shivaji Maharaj in the Mawar region. In which region? Yes, Zoya. I want the name of region. Yes, Shifa. Very nice, beta. Mawar region. Very nice. So anyone knows, have you heard about the Mawar region? What is Mawar region? Yes. Mawar region means the region is towards the west of Pune area. It is hilly area and part of Sahyadri range. Is it clear, students? Okay. Mawar region याद रखो. Mawar region means hilly area. Okay. Very nice. Next, look at your screen. Yes. Now here you are able to see our Mawar region. That I have told earlier, Mawar region means hilly area. Here you are able to see the hilly area. This is all about valleys or hills. The Mawar territorium was not easily accessible and it was full of hills and valleys. Mawar region contains all the hills and valleys. Yes. Very nice, Alkas and Zoya. Hills and valleys. Yes, Suhani. Very nice, students. Now look at the picture. What Shivaji Maharaj had decided. For the purpose of founding the Swaraj, these features were skillfully used by Shivaji Raje. Shivaji Maharaj created a feeling of trust and affection in the minds of people, and many companions and associates joined him in his work. What happened over here? Shivaji Maharaj has created the feeling of trust. That's why so many people have joined his companion. So let us learn their names of the companions or associates. So here you can see the list of various companions and associates. The first one is Esaji Kankar, the Baji Pasarkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Kavji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare. Yes, I hope everyone has saw the Tanaji Malusare film. Yes, yes, Ajay Devgan's film. Yes, that is about the Tanaji Malusare. Yes, Alkas. Next one is Kanoji Jede, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande. Now you have to just remember these names because they all are the companions and associates of our Shivaji Maharaj. Okay? Tell me 2-3 names of these companions or associates. Okay, Sumera, no problem, beta. Yes. Yes, Shagun, Ajay Devgan's films, that is Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji, the unsung warrior. In that, we have learned the history of our Tanaji Malusare. Yes, Tawfiq. Very nice. Shifa Esaji Kank. Yes. Jiva Mahala. Very nice. Yes. Tanaji Malusare. Yes, Suhani. Ajiva Mahala. Okay. Very good. Any other name? You can see the names on the screen also, na? So you are able to give the answers. Yes. Kanaji Zade. Yes. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Now stop writing in the chat box. Now about the Bara Mawar. We have seen na, the Mawar region. So now let us learn about this Bara Mawar. Bara means 12. It is in Marathi. Bara. Bara means 12. Yes. See the first Mawar. Pavan Mawar. Hirdas Mawar. Gunjan Mawar. Paud Mawar. Muthe Mawar. then Mose Valley, Kannad Valley, Welwand Valley, Rohid Valley, Andar Mawar, Nane Mawar, and Korbarse Mawar. Yes, all these are the names of our Mawar region. These all are the names. You just have to remember 3 to 4 names from this Bara Mawar. Okay, students? Yes. Now tell me the simple names of our Bara Mawar. Any 2, 3 names? Yes, Suhani. Pavan Mawar. Very good. Any other name? Yes, Mose Mawar. Any other name, students? Yes, Hirdas Mawar. Very good, Alkas. Very good, Varsha. Very nice. Yes, Hirdas. Paud Mawar. Yes. Muskan. Very nice, beta. So, all of you clear with this Bara Mawar? You have to remember the names of these Bara Mawar. Very nice. Now stop writing in the chat box. Okay. Now about the royal seal, that is our Raj Mudra. Shivaji Maharaj royal seal or Raj Mudra had his objective for founding Swaraj inscribed in a Sanskrit. So what has written in the Sanskrit? Let us see. Here you can see what had written in the Sanskrit. It is in Sanskrit language. Yes. The meaning of it is the inscription is ever increasing like the crescent moon. The kingdom of Shivaji's son of Shahaji will always seek the welfare of the people. It is in Sanskrit. Now stop writing in the chat box. Pratip Chandra Lekhev Vardhishnu Vishwavandita Shaha Suno Shivasaisha Mudra Bhadraya Rajati. It means ever increasing like the crescent of moon, the kingdom of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, will always seek the welfare of people. Through this inscription, Maharaj has expressed his gratitude towards his father, his confidence that Swaraj would expand continuously, his own experience of the respect that the seal, that is Swaraj, commanded from all, his commitment to the welfare of his subjects, and the certainty of ruling over his land independently. The short inscriptions covers the entire concept of Swaraj. So, he has given the meaning that is, he is going to work only for the welfare of the people. Okay, students? Yes. So, here we have covered our first part of foundation of Swaraj. Okay, so now here is the activity for you all. You can just take a screenshot of this, or I will send you these activities on our WhatsApp group. Okay, first activity is make a list of historic coins. Second one is collect information of that coins. Third one is tell the history of coins in the class. In the next class, I'm going to ask you the history of coins. Okay, you can take a help of Google for this. Yes, very nice, students. Now see the summary of our topic. Now don't write anything in the chat box, students. Just listen carefully. We saw about the Shivaji Maharaj, Shahaji Raje, and Rajmata Jizabai. How was the time before the foundation of Swaraj? The companions and associates of Shivaji Maharaj, royal seal of Shivaji Maharaj, and meaning of the Sanskrit verse which is written on royal seal. Okay? So can anyone tell me the name, the birth date of Rajmata Jizabai? First tell me who was the Rajmata Jizabai. Just answer me in the chat box. Yes, Rajmata Jizabai was the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, students? And she was born in 12 January. Okay, students. Yes. Now tell me the some names of companions or associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Tell me the names of companions and associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, write down your answer in the chat box. Yes, Tanaji Malusare. Very nice. Very good, students. Yes, Esaji Kank. Very nice. Yes, and lastly, we have seen the royal seal of Shivaji Maharaj. Very good, dear students. Now there is a small assessment for you all. You have to do this assessment, students. Project on forts of Maharashtra. Yes, and find the information about that. Third one is read the information in the class. Find the information of Baramawar which listed in the presentation. First, what you have to do? We have to do some small projects on forts of Maharashtra. Just collect the info. Okay, dear students, you have to collect the information about the forts. Then you have to make a list of any 10 forts. And you have to write down the information in your history notebook or on the project paper also you can write down. And in our next class, you have to present this information to your classmates. And lastly, find the information of Baramawal. We have learned na Baramawal? Yes, which listed in the presentation. You have to collect 2-3 Baramawal's information. Okay, dear students. So here we have completed our first part of our fifth lesson, Foundation of Swaraj. Okay, student. So